just bought the cheapest 911 GT3 in the world. Today, we're going to try and rebuild it in 24 hours. The GT3 is a car that I've already bought, rebuilt, but sold, as it was way too expensive to bring back to the UK. But oh, did I love that car. Wow. So when the opportunity came up in the UK to get another one, but this time even cheaper, I was all over it. Oh, more bonus time. Come on. Yeah! Oh no! Sold on approval.
What does that mean?
Didn't meet reserve. Oh. Luckily for me, the sale was approved. It is Porsche day. And what a day for it. Right, apparently it runs and drives. If it can... If it runs and drives onto this trailer, then it's a great start. I think we might be able to repair this in 24 hours.
Yeah, look at my jacket. Oh, man, you can see me from a mile off. Oh.
Oh my.
A 2022 Porsche 992 GT3. And it still looks incredible as ever, even though it is crashed. And on my first impressions, it didn't look that bad, but the truth will be told. I don't know why there's no back.
Where's that gone?
Yeah, I don't know why there's no back.
That's expensive.
Yeah, that is expensive.
Was it 10 grand for a bonnet?
11,000.
11?
Oh, look at it.
Oh no.
The back.
Oh.
See this bit here?
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Oh, there's a bit of perishment going on here.
Oh no.
Oh, it's so good. So good. Now, unfortunately, but also fortunately at the same time, this is an automatic. It's PDK, which is probably one of the best gearboxes you can get, bar the manual gearbox. I've got nose lift on this one.
Oh, it's like supercar.
It's only 4,000 miles. It's a full grey and black interior. Comes with the roll cage. The seats are good, and there's not one single airbag deployed in here, which should mean that it starts off. What? Although we do have an airbag light. So some positives and some negatives, as always when buying crash damaged cars. But I wanted to challenge myself to rebuild this car in 24 hours, as I was